QUZUDN fast charging iPhone charger. So this is a 2-pack of 20 watts USB-C type wall fast chargers. So a great value pack. You're going to get 6 feet of charging rope in itself and compatible with iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, Pro Max, XR, XS, X, and iPads. This is going to be a much faster way to charge up your devices. It's 20 watts of power delivered on these, so it's going to be more than 3 times faster than your standard 5-watt charger, ensuring that you have battery life much quicker than what you would with your others. So this also supports iOS version, so you're not going to have any kind of alerts that you often have on the off-brand chargers. It's a MFI chip that ensures that you're good that way. It's a quality and durable phone cord. Definitely check it out.